Welcome to another video. Today we will talk about one of the affordable budget phone with the expensive features, that is Oppo Reno 8 5G. It's around 4 months gone, and now in this video we will share the phone's user experience and some reasons to buy this one. So watch this video fully without skipping and hit the subscribe button for more techie news. The Oppo Reno 8 5G is considered one of the best mid-range gaming and multi-purpose use phone. It comes with the latest MediaTek Dimensity 1300 5G processor, which is built on excellent 6nm processes. Currently this phone is running on Android 12 based ColorOS 12.1 UI skin, and it is able to upgrade to Android 13 OS. If you are looking to get the Oppo phone with the 90Hz AMOLED display, then this one will be your best choice, cause it is equipped with the 6.4 inches larger AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate, so that you can enjoy super fast UI skin. It has a triple camera setup on the rear side, including a 50 megapixel wide angle camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. It has a dual LED flash on the back side and supports HDR and panorama also. For making video calls, it has a 32 megapixel wide camera that supports HDR and panorama features and is able to shoot full HD videos. There is an 80 watt fast charger to charge its 4500 mAh battery capacity in the phone. As advertised, the phone can be charged fully in around 22 minutes from 0%. The most interesting thing is it supports reverse charging also. As for the pricing and configurations, the Oppo Reno 8 5G is priced at around $500 for its base variant 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, and its second variant 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage priced at around $590. So its specifications say the phone is pretty well for the competitive level gaming, multi-purpose use and a good mobile photography also. But there are some cons things that should be fixed as soon as possible. Its CPU's max clock speed is around 3.0 GHz, which is just good but not the best. The Oppo Reno 8 5G supports reverse charging, but the speed is not good. You have to attach another phone for more than an hour to charge it for around 30% to 40%, as an user reports us. Overall, there is a good performances according to its price. Now coming to main point, I'll give some comprehensive reasons to buy this phone. If you are looking to take a gaming phone, then this phone will be a good choice for you because its performance is overall amazing with the other features compatibility. The Oppo Reno 8 5G has a 80 watt super fast charger that can charge the phone from 0% to 100% in under half an hour. So this phone will be a good option for those who want to longer battery capacity, and it is best for especially gamers and travelers. MediaTek Dimensity 1300 allows users to use it for multi-purpose use like install heavy applications or heavy works like gaming, video editing, live streaming and others. If you want to enjoy a perfect display with always on display features, then this one is good choice. So overall in my case, Oppo has introduced the biggest killer smartphone, that is Oppo Reno 8 5G. Its performance is massive, the battery is really well and other features work quite well. So that's all for today's video. If you like this one, then hit the like button also and stay subscribed for more techie news.